Right, today I'm going to change rocker cover on 2.3 petrol Mondeo. These are tools you need, I think. Up to now, I've got a pair of snips, 15mm spanner, a 10mm socket and an 8mm socket. These two are 10s, that one and that one. Alt rest are 8, apart from these, what holds your top on, which I've used a 15mm spanner, which you can't quite get 15mm socket on, and 16's not right size, so 15mm spanner to under them. These are all, you don't undo that, I don't think, just don't undo that one, I'm not sure yet, but obviously we'll take that out, take this off, just pull them two clips in and that pops off there. This end I've got a new gasket for this, all new gaskets for inside. As you can see, dipstick snapped off, we're going to get that out, it's another job. So there you go. I'll show you in a bit how we get on. Right, we've got top off. As you can see, it's a right mess. We're going to replace all these gaskets in here and clean it out. A few more nuts to undo than I thought, I'll show you them in a bit. Right, we've got top off, but there were an extra screw there. You can see where I'm pointing. Here look, where bolt's missing. That were holding this bracket, what won't move, and it were on top of cover, so we had to move that one. There were two here when we took spark plug things out, and that's about it. We've cleaned all round for new gasket to go in. A lot of oil will going down in 1 and 2 number spark plug. 3 and 4 didn't look too bad, but there you go. Right, we've cleaned this up. Put new gaskets in it. And we're just going to put it back together now. There's old ones, what's been took out. 6 of. Right, put it all back together. What's that nut we're on about down there? And these plastic things go on top. These are what holds your engine cover on. There's no dipstick in. There's them two 10mm bolts there, you take them off, one at each corner, and then there's another nut underneath. Same with these plastic, you take them off and then you've got another nut underneath. You don't need to take that off. And that's about it. Put engine cover on, there you have it.